This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Hotmail account at Account, Microsoft.com. This gives direct access to security settings. Make sure you have your current phone nearby, the new number ready, and a backup email for recovery codes. Once signed in, navigate to the Security section and open Advanced Security Options so you can manage contact info. This is necessary because Microsoft requires verification to change security contacts. Starting here moves you immediately into the workflow without extra setup. Next, go to the Security or Contact Info area and choose to add or manage phone numbers. This is where you add the new number. You enter the new number and request a verification code so Microsoft confirms you control that device. Once the SMS arrives, type the code back into the form and confirm. After verification, make the new number your primary contact. This ensures password resets and two-step prompts use the updated number going forward, which prevents lockouts. To finish, verify you can sign out and back in using the new number for any recovery flows. Then remove the old number from your account to avoid confusion. Make sure two-step verification settings and all connected devices reflect the update so authentication prompts go to the correct phone. If a verification code fails to arrive, resend it, confirm the new number was entered correctly. Check for carrier SMS blocking, or use your backup email for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.